Hello, how are you today? Hope all goes well. So now I'm here walking early in the morning. I love and it's nice to have a walk to feel your sweetness and tiring. So this is our little farm here. It's a lot of trees. So difficult, no? To have a walk, go up, and yeah, I like. So at the moment, February month or March, it depends the weather. Um, always have a rain. So now here we must be careful if we have to take a walk. Very slippery. And so this is how it looks like here. All trees, and then we have bananas. Planting these bananas about 2 years ago. This is cassava. So anyway, just here I need to sit down, and we have a little garden. That's beans. Yeah, that's our banana. All the way from here to down, it's all banana. All the way down. I'm so sorry, guys. My breathing is so fast. Why? Because tired. But it's okay. I really enjoy it. So this is our little cassava. For those who familiar cassava, it's so yum and delicious, like cassava cake. So I plant this one around was about 3 years. Yeah. So all the way down. Banana. Banana. I love banana. And I'm seeding to banana from the farm. So I like to be here, especially when I'm missing my family, when I miss so much my kids. And I love to be here, just sitting and then look at our gate. Oh, that's our gate. So I wanna open this like that. It's a little bit of difficult to get in, but anyway, at least I am okay now. So here, yeah, I'm planting this long time. Yeah, 2 to 3 years. So these are all our vegetables. This is eggplant. Yeah, the growth is not good. Why? Because we cannot expose the sun every day. So if you have gulay, yeah, this is the also nice gulay. Tinangkong. Yeah. It's eggplant. And this one is gabi. Gabi in Bisaya. I don't know in Tagalog and English. I would love to Google on it. So that's very yummy also. I love to eat that gabi thing. Yeah, my mother. Oh, this is our beans. My mother plants all this gabi. So we have a little house, puny dress. Yeah. Yeah, and the other side, that's the piggery, and now they not use it. So this is our moringa thing. Yeah, I love moringa every day. Tuan. And yeah, tinangkong. My brother is not here because they are going to the farm, and look, the garden, it don't have people to take care. It's different. Oh, the grass grown here looks like, yeah. With my mother and father, after doing work, they come over here, get some rest. Yeah, this is, I wanna show you the tobacco here. Tobacco. Other grown up. Oh, that's that. So, you know the big one leaves. Now it's going to be dry. That's ginger. The purple ginger. That's medicine. So here, before my father plant this the bitter gourd, the ampalaya. Yeah, here our banana. So here guys, I wanna show you how I may live the simple life in the province. We have our palm trees, all bananas. We have apples. Yes, this one. It's like a Oppo, I think. Oh, this is what's called? I forgot called this one. It's also a medicine. It's gabon. In Bisaya, gabon. We are very healthy. We have a lot of gabi, lemongrass. And then from here up to down here, that's also not really strong water, but there is a water, but so difficult to go down. We have also plants there. We plant a banana, and all the way down we have also our bamboos the other side. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and support my little channel. This is how it looks like here. So yeah, I love to be here. Quiet, only you can hear the birds, the water. You know what? For over more than 20 years, I live in the city, and I was working before on and off outside of the country. Then I said to myself, if my children finish their studies, I would love to go home, because in the province it's very fresh and relaxing. All vegetables, fresh air. Yeah, so I'm thankful to God that with the help of Him, my eldest daughter, she has a degree medical technologies with registered medtech. I'm thankful to God, and with the help of the family and their father and their grandma, and soon my son, I pray that everything is gonna be fine, and he has also a degree. I'm thankful for that, and thank you so much, Lord God, for everything. And God bless you. Till next video, please like, share, and comment. Bye. Be safe, everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe.